Hi, Steve Richardson here. Are you anticipating a tax refund this year? Great. Always terrific to get money back from the government. But if you are in default on a federal student loan, you might want to hold off on that. You might have gotten something in the mail in July or August of last year saying that the Department of Education was going to offset your tax refund. That means they're going to take that money to pay off part of your defaulted student loan. Of course, you don't want that to happen. So, if you're looking to get a tax refund this year and you haven't filed the tax return yet, you might want to hold off. Talk to your tax advisor on this, on whether you can wait till after April 15th, whether you need an extension to do that if you're getting a refund. Talk to a tax professional on that. But there's some steps you need to take before you file that return, because once you file the return, the U.S. Department of Education is going to grab that refund. So what you need to do if you don't want the government to get your refund is you need to do something about the student loans. Now, there are different things you can do. Some are more practical than others, depending upon your situation. But you can pay off the balance, often not practicable. You can pay a compromise amount. Sometimes the Department of Education will compromise it a little bit, but not by a lot. So if you have a large balance, that might not be practical either. You can also get out of default. There's something called default rehabilitation, in which you make 9 monthly payments for an agreed upon amount, and then that gets you out of default. Once you're out of default, that refund's yours. You can also consolidate the loans. This is another way to get out of default, by basically taking out another loan to pay off the old ones. That pulls it out of default. And you may also be entitled to an administrative discharge of that loan. But you would need to get that discharge before you go and file your tax return. So, certain steps you need to take first before you file the return in order to be sure of getting that refund that you've been waiting for. Now, if you need assistance in trying to figure out how to get out of default and you live here in southern New Jersey, please feel free to give my office a call at 856-686-9910 and to set up an appointment to look at your situation and see what the best path of default is for you so that you can get that federal tax refund.